Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Pinterest application. Then tap on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap Settings. Then simply click on Logout, which is under Login. And this is how you can log out of Pinterest. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.